Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and so glad to see you once again in today's new video. So I've received so many questions and so many comments about my strategies. Many of you have asking me what I base on to enter the market. So today I'll be answering all your questions, and also I invite you to my private chat in Telegram channel. In this private chat, I always share my trading signals. I also answer questions to crypto. I also share my trading charts so that you can be able to look at my charts and be able to compare to your charts and be able to know how to trade. Also, to enter this private chat, you need to write me with the code word money team. I left a link down below. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team, and then I'll be able to add you to this team so that you can be able also to make some profit and be able to receive answers to all your questions. So let's get into trading. So hello friends, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to work with the support level, how to work with the resistance level, how to work with the internal levels, how to work with the uptrend, downtrend. I'll also show you how to work with the technical analysis figures, and also show you how to work with the candlestick patterns and other patterns that can appear on the market. I'll also show you how to locate the levels on the market. So I'll try to work out all the situations well. So let's get into our very first trade for today. So I have moved the chart to the left 2.5 hours ago, and I'm defining the level due to the candles at the bottom. This will be the main one. Higher there is another level. So clicking back to the current price movement, here price was trending to the level with the rollback up, and then movement down resumed, and the level was broken. The general trend is going down and the price maximum is getting lower. So I think I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes because I think price will continue moving to the main support level. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So looking at this trade, the price moved down to the main level of support and it has brought me my profit. And 2 minutes was chosen correctly, so I think I need to find another situation to trade on. Here the price is breaking the support level, and I'll immediately enter the market with a down trade for 1 minute. The price is impulsive in its movement, and it's not too late to open a trade here. So I think that the price will move down after the breakout. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, the price trended down and broke me my profit. 1 minute was enough here, so let me continue trading. So here there was an up trade. The price hit the level of resistance and then rolled back down, and now it's again trending to the level of resistance. So here I'll again enter the market with an up trade for 2 minutes because I expect the price to trend to this level and then hit it, and then there'll be a breakout because price has strength to go up here, and 2 minutes are chosen with the margin in case of a small flat or a rollback downward. So let's wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing the situation, price moved up and there was a breakout of the level. It has brought me amazing profit. This situation was good. So let me go on. So here in this situation, there is a very steady movement up. The price is continuing to move steadily. So the price is fading, and I think I'll enter with a down trade for 1 minute, only because as you can see, the price movement is bouncing, and in most cases after impulsive movement up, there's usually movement in the opposite direction, hence the 1 minute time choice. So analyzing this trade, price really rolled back down and it has brought me my profit. 1 minute was enough here and there was a roll back down, and I always work out such situations, as you see, because they're usually very clear and very good to work on. So let me find another situation to trade on. So here there was a very steady movement up. The price hit the level of resistance and then rolled back down, and after that it's again trending to this level, and of course price has good strength to go up. And in this situation I'll enter the market with an up trade for 3 minutes with a margin in case of a small flat or roll back down. So let's wait for the results of this trade and see. Well, analyzing the situation, the price moved up and here it has brought me my profit. 3 minutes were chosen correctly. The price has strength to go up and it's breaking through this level. And soon, I think the level will be broken and a small rollback down will be possible. But I'm not confident about this, so I think I need to find another confident situation at the market. This is another situation and this is the internal level of support, and the price has hit it already several times and the price is trending to this level and hitting it, and now it is starting to break it. So I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes with a margin. The price is breaking through the level and has good strength to go down to the main level support. So let me wait for the end of this trade and see. So analyzing this trade, the price moved down, although there was a rollback up. Movement down resumed and I've got my profit. 2 minutes were chosen really correctly here, and right now you can see that the price is at the middle of the price range. The small flat and small rollback up are possible here, and movement down may occur, but I would like to find another situation. This is a level of resistance. This was a very steady upward movement. The price hit this level and then roll back down, and so here I'll enter the market with a down trade for 1 minute, and I think that in this situation there will be a roll back down soon, since it's the very first touch of the level, which usually happens in most cases, which is also most likely to occur in this trade. So let me wait for the end of this trade and see the results. So analyzing this trade, a rollback down occurred and it has brought me my profit. This trade worked out perfectly and price really trended down. So I think I'm ready to continue. So here this is the internal level of support, and from this point there was a reversal, as you can see, and price is now trending steadily down. So here I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes, and I think that price will trend to this level, and this 2 minutes is with the margin, of course, as you know, in case of a small flat or a rollback upwards, which may occur, and then downward movement will continue. So let's wait and see the results of the trade. So analyzing the situation, after the small flat, the movement down resumed and it has brought me my profit. It has also been the false breakout and then the rollback up, and I think that the small flat will take some time, but let me go on trading. Well, this is the level of support and the price minimum is defined due to this level, and also this is the descending trend line and the price maximum is getting lower. The price is trending in this range, and this is the figure of technical analysis descending triangle. And I'll enter the market for 2 minutes with a down trade. The price has already come to the end of this triangle and it's already narrowing, and I think that the price will exit this figure and break through the level of support and go down. So let me wait for the end of this trade. Analyzing this trade, price really broke through this level and then went down. So this technical analysis descending triangle really worked out perfectly, and it has brought me good results. I now have $7,000 as my balance, and I would like to find the last trade for today. Well, this is the level of support. The price has been trending to this level already twice in the last 10 minutes. So here I'll enter the market with a down trade for 2 minutes. And I think this level will be broken through soon because price is hitting this level and this level is likely to be broken through. So let me wait for the end of this trade and see the results. So analyzing this, price moved down and broke through this level. 2 minutes were chosen correctly and I got good profit. My balance is $10,000 and I think this is enough for today. So as you saw, all the situations in the market today were very good and they worked out well. I was able to show you the support level, the resistance level, the internal level, the uptrends, the downtrends, the technical analysis figures, and also the candlestick patterns. And I hope that you learned something from today's video. You can always find similar situations to the ones that I showed in the video today and be able to practice your techniques as well and be able to learn. And also I have a private chat in Telegram channel. I'm inviting you to join this private chat because I post their trading signals. I also post my trading chats. I also answer any questions about crypto. So to join this private chat, you need to write me with the code word money team and send this code word to my personal chat. I left a link down below. This link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and then I'll be able to add you to this private chat, so that you can be able to learn more about crypto, be able to receive trading signals and make some money as well. So thank you so much for sticking until the end of this video. Thank you so much for liking this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to leave your comment down below and hit that notification button so that you can be notified at the end of this video if there's a new video. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.